Hello, welcome to our first edition of Inside the Beaker. I'm Stacy, a formulation specialist in the PCCA Formulation Development Lab. We're always working on new things in the lab, so today I wanted to show you MucoPops popsicles, or what we like to call MucoPops. If you're unfamiliar with MucoPops, it's a revolutionary base that can be used in formulations targeting mucosal surfaces. MucoPops is water-soluble, yet has advanced mucosal adhesion with unprecedented staying power. I'm going to show you how to make MucoPops. Keep in mind, we're just going to go over technique, so I'm not working with any active pharmaceuticals ingredients today. Okay, so I've already added MucoPops and my other components to a beaker, and I'm going to pre-mix briefly with a glass stir rod. Now I'm going to pour it into an EMP jar, and then I'm going to mix it in the EMP for 2 minutes on a medium setting. So here we have our mixed formulation. I've already set up my 1-inch popsicle sleeves, or popsicle poly sleeves, with one end sealed. You can use a glass stir rod to open up the sleeve and make it easier to add your compound. So I just stick the glass stir rod in there and kind of move it around a little bit just to create an air pocket. And then you can take it out. Now just use a syringe to draw up your compound and add it to your popsicle sleeve. After they are filled, you can take them to the heat sealer and seal them. Now these are ready to store in the freezer. You can dispense them to the patient in a child-proof container. Want to know more about MucoPops popsicles and what formulations we suggest? Check out our link in the post to the August Apothagram issue where Fabiana Banoff, our senior formulation pharmacist, shares some of our favorites.